Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on autoplay high quality images when you use only Wi-Fi on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy, and now click accessibility, display and language settings, and now click data usage, and now here you will find it, high quality images. Just click on it like this and choose Wi-Fi only, and that's it for today. It will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.